Can grad students participate in internships? Hi, I'm Alex Santiago, a second year PhD student in electrical and computer engineering at Purdue University, and this is Insider Tips from GradTrack mentors. Internships can be important experiences in undergrad to learn about different jobs. I've had 3 internships, 2 of them as a grad student, so becoming a grad student doesn't stop you from having internships. Looking for them is not that different from undergrad internships or full-time work. Company websites, LinkedIn, career fairs, and conferences are great places to start looking for opportunities. But as grad students, we need to be strategic about what roles we look for to align our experience with the degree we're pursuing. This doesn't mean that you're going to find the exact job as your research, but it should be aligned or adjacent to your area of expertise so you can leverage the most out of your time at the internship and improve your future career path. There are internships exclusively for grad students, but these aren't the only ones you can apply for. Your scope of work is always the most important factor. Talk to your manager and be sure the job is challenging enough for you and within your area of interest. Ask about what training and mentoring will they offer you. Talk to your advisor and make sure he's on board before accepting any offers. If you're deciding between different schools, you can ask potential advisors about their willingness to let you be a summer intern. Once you're there, expand your network and discover what positions you can work in after graduation. Figure out if you would like to come back or not to that company. And don't forget to update your resume after the internship is done.